Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And we have a Funko AirDrop. We have these two large boxes here, and inside are Freddy Funko or Pop Asia, or like only for China exclusive type of Funko Pop. So stay tuned and let's find out what's in our AirDrop. Okay, so we have two Funko AirDrops. That's what I'm calling it. So we're going to first open up the smaller box, which is this one right here. All right. So Funko Pops. So I know a lot of people collect Funko Pops in America, but do they really even care about like Pop Asia Funko Pops? Or, things that are just exclusive to the Funko community in Asia and stuff? Let me know down in the comments. And if you are liking this video or want to like this video or need to like this video, hit that subscribe button. All right? And hit those like buttons because that helps the channel. Or, I guess, make more people view it, I guess? I don't know. All right, so this is what I like about when I shop here in China. Look at this boxing. See, look at that. See? They do a box within a box with bubble wrap when they deliver all of my Funko Pops. Now, I've seen a lot of videos in America. Even like, so some places, it's like they just toss it in. And this guy right here, even no matter what you buy, he'll give you a pop protector. So, all right, we got the box open. All right, let's see what is inside. All right, so there's only two pops. Let's pull this one out. And the first pop is Journey into the West, Monkey King, a Qplex exclusive right here. So this is the Jade version one. I think they've had like 3 different versions of it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Monkey. I've seen the movie Journey into the West. It is actually a pretty good movie. If you haven't seen it, you should really go check it out. All right, so our first pop is Monkey King from Journey into the West. All right, our next pop is Freddy Funko as Guan Yu, which is a Chinese person. So this is the Freddy Funko. Only exclusive here in China through Mind Style. 15th anniversary for Mind Style exclusive. So Mind Style is basically like the exclusive shop for Funko Pops here in China. So yeah, you'll see a lot of that on a lot of the Funko Pops coming out of Pop Asia. All right. So there we go. Those are our first two. So let's take a closer look at each of these ones before we go to the next box. All right, guys, so our first one we're looking at is the Monkey King Jade. Now, this is actually a pretty cool pop. It's a bobblehead. So they have made other versions of this. I think they made a wooden one and some other ones. I don't know. I'll leave some pictures, probably. I thought the Jade one looks really good because, A, green is my favorite color. So you can tell this also made a Freddy Funko as Monkey King. So they have pretty much the same design, all right, but with Freddy Funko as Monkey King instead. All right, so yeah, I like these Journey into the West ones. They're pretty cool. And let me know down in the comment, what do you think about this? Is this a cool pop to have in the collection? I do like the Jade. Look at the details. Do you like it? Yes, I like it. That's why I'm shaking my head up and down. All right, got the staff. Yeah, so yeah, it looks exactly like the Freddy Funko as Monkey King. So there you go. Monkey King Jade. All right, our next one is Freddy Funko as Guan Yu. I like his Chinese traditional outfit. So yes, he is a bobblehead. Look at the details of this. All right. Yeah, see? So yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I like the color green and stuff. So if you're a Freddy Funko fan, do you like these Freddy Funko Pop Asias? This is a Guan Yu, so most people probably would not know who he is and stuff. But yeah, I like collecting these ones that other people don't have in their collection. See? And that is a cool outfit. Seriously, look at this. Look at the details. Freddy Funko is Guan Yu. Not bad. Not bad at all. What do you think, down? What do you think, down? I mean, what do you think? And leave a comment down below. Freddy Funko, Guan Yu. Yaw. Yaw. All right, so those were our first two pops, Monkey King and Freddy Funko. And remember they said, oh, I caught a box. How big was the box? The box was this big. Funny joke. All right, so let's take a look at this one in here. This is from the same person I bought these two from and stuff, because he gets a lot of the exclusive ones for Pop Asia and stuff. So I usually buy those through him. Yeah. And like I said, packing for this, I think this is like 4 pops. We're only 4 pops. But look at this. Look at that. Bubble. Look at that bubble wrap. Look at that. There. Oh my God. See, look at all that. And then a box in a box. Now that is some nice packaging. We'll take the other box out. All right. So we got a small box right here. And look at all that bubble tape he puts in there. Or bubble wrap, not bubble tape. All right, so that is nice packaging, and this is why I always buy from him. And then we open it this one. And go. And look, more bubble wrap. Huh. If any of his things ever get damaged, you'll be surprised because they must have been kicking the box. All right, so let's take a look inside and see. What do we got? What do we got inside? Let's take our hand and boom! What do we have here? We have, I actually been looking for this one. I told him to keep an eye out on any in DC Imperial Palace ones that I don't have. So he got me the Robin, the Patina one, I guess I should say Pantina. So this is the Robin, the one without the hood. I have the one with the hood. This is the one without the hood. So yeah, he's still tracking down some of the ones I need to find. And let me know, do you like these DC Imperial Palace ones? I do. I don't get the common ones. I usually try to go for the metallic ones or these Pantina ones. I'm still looking for the Robin metallic one, which is so hard to find. I got lots of people looking for it, but all right, so that is our first one, the Robin. Some scissors off the side. Our next one is Woo Song. A 21 Summer Convention Limited Edition from Water Margarine. So this is a Pop Asia exclusive. All right, it's pretty cool. I like some of these Pop Asias because I know you'll probably never get them in America. So yeah, it's pretty cool. That's our first one. Next one. All right, and our next one is a Pop Asia. It is Cheryl, a CosX fan Pop Asia. All right, so this is a 20 Summer Convention Limited Edition. All right, right there. Looks pretty cool. Look at the back. So let me know. Have you ever heard of this? I saw it and I got it because I actually thought it was pretty cool looking and stuff. CosX fan. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's just a thing or I don't know. I'll probably leave a description down telling you what exactly it is because I don't know what exactly it is. Could be an animation. All right, so that is our number 3 pop. And our last pop for today is Freddy Funko Kung Fu. All right, so this is the Freddy Funko Kung Fu. And technically, I think this one actually came with this one in a box, double box maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah, this is Freddy Funko Kung Fu, a 20 Summer Convention Limited Edition. So people who collect Freddy Funkos, do you even care about the Freddy Funko's Pop Asia line? Because I know there's a lot of Freddy Funko Pop Asia, but do you care or do you just only want the ones that came out in America? All right, so these are our 4. We have Freddy Funko, Cheryl, Wusa, and the Robin one I've been looking, the Pantina, without the hood on. So let's take a closer look. But let's take a closer look. Look at that. So he put each pop in each individual little cross. Amazing packing. All right, so let's take a closer look at these. All right, guys. So our other one is Freddy Funko Kung Fu in his Kung Fu outfit. See, look. Yeah, there he is. So this is Freddy Funko Kung Fu. Ah. Has anybody been watching the Cobra Kai TV show on Netflix? I know that's karate, not kung fu, but still the martial arts. What do you think about Freddy Funko Kung Fu? Yeah, so I like this. I've always wanted to learn martial arts, but parents never paid for it, so I have to do it by myself. All right, so this is Freddy Funko as Kung Fu Pop Asia. All right, so our next one is Wu Song from the Water Margin. So yeah, look, he has his little swords in both hands. Look at the details. He was like a little Chinese symbol right here. See at the bottom right there? Yeah, so it's very detailed. Look how the back of it. See how it just swooshes? Like it's like blowing in the wind. So these Pop Asian ones are actually pretty nice Funko Pops. So look at all the details. This is nice, seriously. Now, I don't know who Wu Song is. I'll probably leave a description down below, but let me know in the comments. Do you know who he is? And is Water Margin a television show or a movie? I'm not sure. So there you go. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. Look at the hair just swooping behind. Yeah, so this is Wu Song. What do you think about me? Do you like Pop Asian Pops? Let me know down in the comments. You better like it, or I'm going to come to your house. All right, our next one is from CosX fan Sherry. So yeah, I like this one because I saw it. I said, "Well, how's the details on this? Right? Look how the curly pink hair, little cat ears, a heart." So yeah, I never heard of this one yet, but it looks really, really nice. Like the details to it, like the pattern on the hoodie, the bow in the back, the red at the bottom of the Komodo and stuff, and then the heart. Will you be my Valentine? I have a heart for you. So yeah, that's very nice. What do you think about it? And like I said down in the comment, leave down in the comment. Have you ever heard of CosX Fan? What exactly is it? I think it might be a TV show. So I don't know. So yeah, this is Sherry or Cheryl. How would you pronounce it? All right. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Pop Asia. Pop Asia. All right, our next one is the Robin with the hood down, Pantina. I was just call it bronze. It's like a bronze statue and stuff. So yeah, so this is the one I was looking for a while. I'm still looking for the Robin Metallic Chase with the hood up and stuff, but that one right now is like going for like $500 on the PPG. So I don't know if I'm ever going to find that one. But look at the Robin. Details with the R on his chest. Now, do you like these type of Pantinas? I know they've made a couple of them on Funko Pop, but do you like the coloring of it? Like I said, it reminds me of just like a bronze statue. And so green and gold or bronze coloring. So like a penny. It reminds me of a penny, like when a penny is very old and it starts getting that green on it and stuff. So who was your favorite Robin throughout the comic books? Was it Dick Grayson, Jason Todd, Tim Drake, or Damon Wayne? Let me know down in the comments. Who was your favorite Robin? This was Robin. All right. So those were our 6 Funko Pops, either Freddy Funko, Pop Asia, or exclusively towards China market. All right, so we have Monkey King, Jade One. We have Freddy Funko as Guang Yu. We have Freddy Funko as Kung Fu. We have Cheryl, the CosX fan. We have Wu Song, and we have the Robin Pantina with the hood down. Getting a little bit closer and closer, finishing my DC Imperial Palace collection. So, a lot of people, YouTubers go, hey, like this video. You know, if you like this video, go ahead, give those thumbs up. If you don't, that's all right. I'm cool with that. Hit that bell for notification when I drop new Funko Pop videos or tech videos or whatever I think is cool and you may or may not be interested in. All right. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I am trying to hit that 3K. But if I hit it, I hit it. If I don't, no pressure. I'm not going to pressure you to hit it. All right. If you want to hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't, It's okay. But if you do, you'll be part of Knoles Cool Stuff family. And maybe we'll be doing a giveaway. Like usually, last giveaway I gave away a phone, earbuds, and a watch. Yeah, so that was the last giveaway I gave. Yeah. So until next time, my followers, be cool.